Collision. When something that is moving hits another object. What happens when I use force on my car? It moves all the way across the screen. But what happens if I put an object in the way? The car hits the block. This is called a collision. Let's compare them. What do you observe? The car that hit the block slowed down and stopped. Now let's observe some other collisions. Use some other objects and practice making a collision. What happens? Try objects of different sizes. Does the car stop or slow down or change direction? What about the object that it hits? Does the object move? Make sure you choose objects that won't break if they're in a collision. You don't need a toy car to do this experiment. You can use any object that rolls, like this glue stick.